Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 a month from your phones using free apps. Not complicated skill or upfront investment needed. Let's dive into it. The first app is Swagbucks. You can earn money by taking surveys, watching videos, or even just browsing the web. It's one of the easiest ways to make cash in your spare time. Next is In-a-Box Dollars, another app that rewards you for small tasks like reading emails, playing games, or completing offers. The more you engage, the more you earn. For those of you who are active on social media, TikTok Creator Fund is a great way to make money by posting videos. You don't need to be famous, just consistent with creating content that get engagement. Finally, there's FOB, which pays you to sell photos you take with your phone. Whether it's landscape shots or candid moments, there's a market for quality images. These apps won't make you rich overnight, but together, they can easily help you to reach that $500 a month mark. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make money from your phone. Thanks for watching!